I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
A circle scale is a pivoting drafting tool that measures and reproduces circle diameters up to 300 millimeters and works in inches as well. It combines an adjustable arm, indexed ratio markers, and a locking nut for stable transfer. Begin by calibrating the device with a known diameter, for example 50 mm or 5 inches, then zero the index at the pivot. Choose a scale ratio such as 1, 2 to halve the diameter, or 2, 1 to double it, and confirm the setting before making marks or cuts. To draw a scaled circle, secure the pivot at the center point of your piece and extend the arm to the target radius, tightening the locking nut firmly so there is no play. For example, to represent a 100 mm circle at 1:2 scale, set the arm to 50 mm and rotate the scale while keeping consistent pressure. Use a pencil for paper, a scribe for metal, or a pen for plastic. For metalwork, lightly center punch before scribing to prevent wandering, and rotate the arm smoothly to maintain an even line. Maintain accuracy by periodically checking the circle scale against a caliper. Acceptable error is typically within 0.5 mm for drafting and 0.1 mm for precision machining. If the error exceeds your tolerance, re-zero the indexed arm and recalibrate using a known diameter. Clean the pivot, threads, and sliding surfaces after each use, apply a light machine oil, and store the tool in a padded case to prevent knocks. For updated models with quick change jaws, use the jaws for repeated sizes and always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.